One of the things, if we talk about relationship with systems, is that convenience is definitely a driving force going forward. Labor in many geographies is a constraint. So together we can offer something that has a very fast construction time.
So we manufacture the Click-in Cladding product. It has to be with the perfect wood solutions, and it has to be not tropical, because we are convinced that in terms of sustainability, Kebony is way more better than tropical hardwoods. So we need to be there. We need to offer the good service, the good systems.
And then I think, what does the future hold for durable modified wood? Potential is huge. So we're still pioneering, and that's also why we're here today.